Behold, a slice of artisanal bread generously spread with an egg yolk as velvety and supple as butter. Or this endless, mesmerizing cheese pull of a tomato and egg pizza. Welcome, dear friends, to the tranquil kitchen sanctuary of Cooking Tips 5S. In those busy moments when elaborate preparations feel daunting, a simple glance into the refrigerator for a few farm-fresh eggs and vibrant tomatoes is all it takes to conjure up breakfast delights that are remarkably convenient, swift, yet exude a luxurious, restaurant-quality elegance. Let us begin. Dish 1. Velvety olive oil confit egg yolks. Our first culinary endeavour is beautifully effortless, guided by the gentle precision of an air fryer. Delicately crack the eggs, separating two radiant golden yolks, and gently nestle them into a petite glass ramekin. To awaken their innate richness, we dust them with a whisper of fine sea salt and scatter fragrant sprigs of dried rosemary. Finally, cascade liquid gold olive oil until the pristine yolks are entirely submerged in its lustrous bath. Place this delicate vessel into the air fryer, setting the gentle warmth to 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit, for a precise 15 minutes. Upon revealing them, you will be met with a delightful surprise. The egg yolks have reached a state of perfect doneness, transforming into a brilliantly supple, silky consistency. Gently scoop a jewel-like yolk and sweep it across a slice of pillowy, soft bread. It glides effortlessly, mirroring the luxurious richness of a buttery preserve. A sophisticated, convenient breakfast that is wondrously simple to create. Dish 2. Express stovetop tomato and egg pizza. For those who crave a comforting, savoury warmth, let us craft an effortless stovetop pizza that requires absolutely no kneading. Our rustic wooden board holds a humble yet vibrant medley. 3 plump crimson tomatoes, a few stalks of fresh scallions, farm-fresh eggs, and a scattering of finely shredded cheese. We begin by slicing the vibrant tomatoes into perfectly delicate rounds and finely mincing the crisp scallions. farm-fresh eggs into a bowl, seasoning them with a pinch of fine sea salt, a dusting of cracked black pepper, and a few rosemary leaves for depth of flavour. With a whisk, rhythmically blend the mixture until it becomes a luminous, undulating golden ribbon. Glossing the pan with a fine, misty veil of oil, we arrange the vibrant crimson tomato slices across the base. Slowly pour the golden egg ribbon, allowing it to gracefully envelop the tomatoes. Next, cascade an abundance of rich mozzarella cheese and scatter the vibrantly green scallions over the magnificent surface. Simply cover with the lid for a few moments, allowing the gently trapped heat to conjure its magic. Transfer this golden masterpiece to a plate, slicing it into delicate, inviting wedges. The endless, mesmerizing stretch of melted cheese beautifully embraces the tomato's bright, tangy notes and the rich, comforting depth of the egg. Utterly convenient and wonderfully nourishing,